What actually happens to an IT asset over time? Think about it. You buy a new laptop for an employee. They unbox it, set it up, and use it daily. Fast forward a few years, maybe the battery doesn't hold a charge anymore, or it's struggling to run newer applications. Eventually, you need to replace it. What do you do with the old one? Sell it? Recycle it? Shove it in a storage closet hoping to replace someone else's laptop that is suffering a worse fate? This whole process, from the moment an asset is needed to the moment it gets retired, is called IT Asset Lifecycle Management, or ITALM. So why should you care about ITALM? A lot of businesses track IT assets in some form, but tracking isn't the same as managing. ITALM isn't just a list of what you own, it's a structured approach to making sure every asset is used efficiently, maintained properly, and retired responsibly. Without a lifecycle plan, things start to slip through the cracks. Assets are stolen before they can even be used. Devices that should have been decommissioned years ago are still being used or sitting in storage. Software licenses are paid for but never used. Expired warranties catch you off guard, and security vulnerabilities go unnoticed. And let's not forget the cost. IT assets are expensive, and companies bleed money by mismanaging them. With ITALM, you reduce waste, lower risks, and make smarter purchasing decisions. You might have heard of IT Asset Management, ITAM. It's a broader term that covers all aspects of managing IT assets, including financial tracking, governance, and compliance. ITALM, on the other hand, is laser-focused on the journey of each asset, from acquisition to disposal. It's a core function within ITAM, but the key difference is time. ITAM asks, what do we own? ITALM asks, how are we managing what we own over time?